What is a carboxylic acid? By KayScience.com. Carboxylic acids are organic molecules which contain the functional group COOH. This represents the displayed formula of a carboxylic acid, where R represents the rest of the molecule. Whatever that molecule may be, R represents the rest of the molecule. And between the carbon and oxygen atom, there is a double bond. These two lines represent a double bond. Methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, and butanoic acid are the first four members of the homologous series of carboxylic acids that you need to know. Now, the molecular formula of methanoic acid is HCOOH. The molecular formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. The molecular formula of propanoic acid is C2H5COOH. And the molecular formula of butanoic acid is C3H7COOH. And the displayed formula of each carboxylic acid is as follows. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The general formula of carboxylic acids is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So let's say there are 3 carbon atoms. This means N equals 3. When we input this into the general formula, we get C3H, 2 times 3 in brackets, plus 1 COOH. This gives us a molecular formula of C3H7COOH. In this second example, there are 7 carbon atoms, so N equals 7. When we input this into the general formula, we get C7H, 2 times 7 in brackets, plus 1 COOH. This gives us a molecular formula of C7H15COOH. Pause the video now to figure out what is the molecular formula using this information. The answers will follow. Pause the video now to check your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.